Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. We're now on ayah 127 of the Mubarak Surat al-Baqarah, and we are here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وَإِذْ. Many of these ayahs we've been reading all start with وَإِذْ, which is like basically, and recall when. وَإِذْ يَرْفَعُ وَإِذْ يَرْفَعُ إِبْرَاهِيمُ وَإِذْ يَرْفَعُ إِبْرَاهِيمُ الْمُلْ. This meme, this alif lam drops, you go straight into the qaf. إِبْرَاهِيمُ الْقَوَاعِدَ Al-Qawa'ida. This alif extends the wa, so make sure you the waw. So make sure you say Ibrahimul Qawa'ida, not Qawa'ida, the slight extension. This is the common mistakes I used to find a lot, so I'm just repeating that. Maybe you don't have that problem. Ibrahimul Qawa'ida minal. Okay, so I jumped a little bit ahead. Minal, right? We did that 2 ayahs ago in that lesson. Minal, this drops, goes straight to the lam, sukoon. So minal bayti, wa isma'ilu, rabbana taqabbal minna. This noon has a ghunna. Minna, inna. So, lot of rules on the noon here. Minna, and you have innaka, ghunna on the noon. Innaka, anta. Noon here has a sukoon followed by ta. That's a rule of ikhfa. Anta. Anta, innaka, antas, because this drops, alif lam goes straight into the seen. Antas sami'. So make sure you extend because the ya there. Sami'ul alim. Okay, let's go to the next ayah. Rabbana waj'al. So this drops, you go straight from the waw to the jim. Waj'alna muslimaini. Muslimaini laka. Wa min dhurriyatina. Let's break this down, and you have a noon with a sukoon here. Remember, you got a dhal right after. That's ikhfa. وَمِن ذُرِّيَّتِنَا. So you have dhurriya. You got the ya as a shadda here as well. ذُرِّيَّتِنَا. Slightly extend that. Ummatan. Then there's another meme with another shadda. Ummatan. So it becomes tam. Ummatan muslimatan laka. So the tan becomes tallaka, right? So technically, muslimatan laka. It's very slight. Most people can't pick it up. Muslimatan laka. Tan becomes tallaka. Muslimatan laka. Wa arina mana. Let's move that up. Manasikana wa tub alayna the ta, there's a problem. Those who speak English, you're used to saying the ta as a t, like tea, like you drink tea. If you notice, you say you drink tea, That's not this kind of ta actually. Even you hear Qari is doing that with tub, right? With tub. But this is actually read as tub, what tub. And it's like some languages the T sound is different. So like for example, take this. If you notice, take this and take this. There's a slight difference. Maybe I'm not sure if I should highlight it here, but just pay attention to that. وَتُبْ عَلَيْنَا وَتُبْ عَلَيْنَا إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ. Now you're going from the anta, this drops, that drops, you go straight into the ta, so it becomes أَنْتَ التَّوَّابُ. Not أَنْتَ التَّوَّابُ, but أَنْتَ التَّوَّابُ. إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ التَّوَّابُ الرَّحِيمُ. You got that? إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ التَّوَّابُ الرَّحِيمُ. For those that just wanted that I read, let's go back. رَبَّنَا وَاجْعَلْنَا مُسْلِمَيْنِ لَكَ وَمِنْ ذُرِّيَّتِنَا أُمَّةً مُسْلِمَةً لَكَ وَأَرِنَا مَنَاسِكَنَا وَتُبْ عَلَيْنَا إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ التَّوَّابُ الرَّحِيمُ. Jazakumullah khair wa barakallah fikum. We did 3 videos this week, inshallah, that we just released. Please be patient till we get more up in the very near future, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. Please pray for us. Allah bless you all. Assalamu alaikum.